Hello and welcome to another episode of Boat in the Bonnet. My name is Frans and I'm building an Ian Utrecht Guillemot traditional dinghy. I'm currently sanding the first layer of injection resin that is laid upon the hull of my dinghy. A number of steps preceded the sanding that I'll show you in this video. First, the transom received a thorough sanding so that all spilled epoxy was removed. Then I used the vacuum cleaner to remove as much dust as possible from the hull. The remaining dust was then wiped off with a damp cloth. When all that was done, I applied masking tape along the edges of the hull sections to be coated. Because I had used a damp cloth to wipe off the dust, the wood fibers of the hull had come up. The hull was sanded one more time with 80 grit sandpaper. The sanding dust was then vacuumed away from the hull and also as much as possible out of the garage. The finest dust was then removed from the hull with an adhesive cloth. After that, the hull parts were degreased. Because the temperature had already risen to 24 degrees Celsius in the morning, the coating had to be postponed. The next day it remained much cooler and the first layer of injection resin could be applied. A learning moment for me was that in the future I need to better protect the parts that are not to be coated with tape and masking paper. For now, thank you for watching and see you next time.